I did have one more question before we kind of move on. Is I feel like many times in public health, I guess maybe just more in general, as people, we might want to invest a lot into school education, but oftentimes like courses that are outside of that traditional structure of school,
Yeah.
it's sometimes something that's difficult for us to think about investing in. Maybe two questions. What was that time delay in like you saying, okay, I want to do this, like I want to do something around virtual assistants, around building a business, to actually buying that first course? And yeah, I'll start there.
Yeah, no, that's a really good question. So I want to say it was 6 months. So say like in July, I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw about virtual assistant. And then I started to do a lot of research on it. And that's how I got the knowledge of like, oh, there's different virtual assistant courses. And so for me, I had to think about what are the things that I need to be efficient. So I look for the courses, I look to see, like, can it help me not only where I am at now, but when I grow? So that was the course, the virtual savvy. That was the one that I did. So it was about 2 months of like research, and then I purchased the course, and then I did the course for a good 4 months, and I launched in January of 2022. So I really took my time with the course to really understand everything. But you definitely need to invest in yourself in order to grow, for sure, in anything that you do. So that was the time frame that it took me from conception of I want to do this business was like 2 months, and then I bought the course, and then 4 months, and then I launched the business.
And then the second question is, what was that point in time in that few months that made you say, yes, I need to buy this course and do this now?
Yeah. So it was realizing that so I'm a finance girly, as I like to call myself, and at that time, I was really invested into wealth building and just thinking about what's next in my life. And I knew that was wanting to invest more, into Roth IRA or to put more into my 401k with my job, but also to really just wanted to be a homeowner. And New York City is very expensive, and I knew that I needed a side hustle. I knew I needed something else where I wouldn't have to change my lifestyle because I was, wealth building, such as investing more or buying a home. So that's what really made me say, okay, what can I do? And at first I was like, maybe I can start another job, like part time. But I was like, I don't really want to do that. I want the flexibility. And so that's what made me say, virtual assistant, like I have that admin skill and I can work anywhere. So if I do move, it doesn't matter where I live.
And one of the best ways to build wealth is to start a business. So uh,
Absolutely.
yeah, well, kudos for you for taking those steps, and I'm looking forward to coming back to
Mhm.
talking about the virtual collab in a bit.